Welcome back to Trend Cars, the channel where automotive dreams come to life and future innovations take the center stage. Today, we are diving into something that feels less like a vehicle and more like a moving palace. Imagine the craftsmanship of Rolls-Royce, the timeless elegance, the whisper quiet ride, the attention to detail that turns every surface into a statement of art. Now, take all of that prestige, that engineering mastery, that legacy of over a century, and combine it with the idea of a motorhome. What you get is nothing short of breathtaking, nothing short of revolutionary, nothing short of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. This is not just transportation. This is not just luxury travel. This is the definition of reimagining freedom on the road while carrying the spirit of Rolls-Royce wherever you go. Because when Rolls-Royce steps into a new category, it is never about following a trend or chasing numbers. It is about creating a new benchmark. For decades, motorhomes have been associated with adventure, mobility, and a certain rustic charm. But Rolls-Royce has taken that spirit of freedom and elevated it to the pinnacle of ultra-luxury, transforming the idea of life on the road into a five-star experience that moves with you. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is the crown jewel of mobile living. A rolling masterpiece that takes the bespoke philosophy of the brand and stretches it across a mobile sanctuary. From the outside, its silhouette is unmistakably bold, exuding presence with the signature Rolls-Royce grille and spirit of ecstasy standing proudly at the front. But beyond the symbolism, the design integrates sleek aerodynamics and modernity, ensuring that even a vehicle of this size slices through the air with grace and quiet dominance. As you approach it, the sheer size is awe-inspiring, yet it never feels imposing in an aggressive way. Rolls-Royce has ensured that every curve, every panel, and every line has been sculpted with intention. The LED matrix headlights provide a crystal-clear glow, almost like a jewelry piece set into the face of the vehicle. Chrome accents trace the sides, while a two-tone paint scheme, customizable in any shade imaginable, wraps the body like a tailored suit. But while the exterior commands attention, it is what lies beyond those signature coach doors that truly changes the game. Step inside, and you are greeted not just by a cabin, but by an environment that feels more like a luxury penthouse suite than a vehicle. Rolls-Royce designers, working hand in hand with master craftsmen, have created interiors that breathe elegance. Hand-stitched leather seats, made from the softest hides, wrap around you like a gentle embrace. The wood veneers, cut from single slabs of rare timber, align their grain perfectly across surfaces, a signature Rolls-Royce detail that whispers exclusivity. And then there is the Starlight headliner, recreated here not just above the driver's cabin but expanded throughout the living quarters, turning the ceiling into a moving night sky with thousands of tiny fiber optic stars twinkling as you glide along endless roads. The motorhome is designed with zones, each one crafted with Rolls-Royce's signature attention to human comfort. The lounge area feels like a private club, with plush seating, an extendable table, and panoramic windows that frame the world outside as if it were a moving painting. The kitchen is nothing short of a gourmet studio, fitted with state-of-the-art appliances that slide seamlessly into handcrafted cabinetry. Cooking here isn't just about preparing a meal, it's about performing an art form within an art form. Moving further inside, the master suite is the epitome of rest and rejuvenation. Imagine a king-size bed with Rolls-Royce. Embroidered linens, memory foam layered with goose-down softness, and ambient lighting that adjusts automatically with circadian rhythm technology to ensure you rest as nature intended. The suite is completed with a walk-in wardrobe, space-efficient yet indulgent, with custom compartments for everything from evening gowns to cufflinks. The ensuite bathroom is lined with marble, yes, real marble, polished and engineered to withstand the rigors of travel. A rainfall shower, gold-plated fixtures, and heated floors transform it into a spa experience every time you step inside. And while luxury is paramount, Rolls-Royce never compromises on technology. The 2026 motorhome is equipped with the latest version of Rolls-Royce's Whisper Drive electric hybrid powertrain. It glides silently, propelled by dual electric motors paired with a cutting-edge hydrogen fuel cell range extender. The result is near-infinite cruising ability with zero tailpipe emissions. For a vehicle of this size, the driving experience is surreal. The world outside may be full of noise, but within the sanctuary of the Rolls-Royce Motorhome, you move in near silence, interrupted only by the faint hum of progress beneath your feet. Safety, too, has been taken to a level never seen before in motorhomes. The 2026 model comes with autonomous driving capabilities that can take full control on highways, navigating, adjusting speeds, and even performing overtaking maneuvers while the passengers relax inside. Smart sensors, litter mapping, and AI-based co-pilot systems ensure the motorhome is aware of every possible detail of the road ahead. Rolls-Royce calls it the invisible chauffeur, an homage to their history of always offering passengers the most effortless ride possible. Entertainment and connectivity form another layer of the luxury. The motorhome integrates a holographic entertainment system, where 3D projections can transform the lounge into a cinema, a workspace, or even a meditation room surrounded by virtual landscapes. Ultra-fast satellite connectivity ensures you are never disconnected, whether you are parked at the edge of a forest, overlooking the sea, or cruising across a desert highway. Rolls-Royce understands that its clients live globally, and so their motorhome ensures the entire world is just a touch away. But perhaps the most unique aspect of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is personalization. No two models will ever be alike. Owners will collaborate with the Rolls-Royce bespoke team to design every inch according to their lifestyle. Want an onboard wine cellar with climate control for your vintage collection? Done. Want a mini art gallery with curated lighting for your private masterpieces? Possible. Want a rooftop terrace that unfolds electronically with seating, fire pits, and 360-degree views? Absolutely. The limit is not the catalog, it is the imagination of the owner. And that is the philosophy at the heart of the Rolls-Royce Motorhome. This is not just about luxury travel, it is about redefining the very idea of home, comfort, and freedom. A space that adapts, that moves with you, that carries with it the elegance of Rolls-Royce and the spirit of exploration. This, ladies and gentlemen, is not merely a motorhome. It is a statement of lifestyle. It is the dawn of a new age of travel. And as we dive deeper into this masterpiece, we will explore the details, the performance, the hidden luxuries, and the soul of what makes the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome the ultimate symbol of refined freedom that turns every surface into a statement of art. Now, take all of that prestige, that engineering mastery, that legacy of over a century, and combine it with the idea of a motorhome. What you get is nothing short of breathtaking, nothing short of revolutionary, nothing short of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. This is not just transportation. This is not just luxury travel. This is the definition of reimagining freedom on the road while carrying the spirit of Rolls-Royce wherever you go. Because when Rolls-Royce steps into a new category, it is never about following a trend or chasing numbers. It is about creating a new benchmark. For decades, motorhomes have been associated with adventure, mobility, and a certain rustic charm. But Rolls-Royce has taken that spirit of freedom and elevated it to the pinnacle of ultra-luxury, transforming the idea of life on the road into a